All right, let me ask you a question. What if I told you there's a business you can start right now for less than $200 that could make you a millionaire? Sounds like one of those too good to be true scams, right? But trust me, this is the real deal, and it's a business not a lot of people are talking about. What is it, you ask? Brace yourself because it's not glamorous, but it's wildly profitable. It's cleaning up dog poop. Yep, you heard that right. Poop. Now, before you click away thinking, this guy's lost it, let me break it down. The pet industry is worth over $100 billion. And guess what? Dogs poop every day. And a lot of people are too busy or too grossed out to clean it up themselves. That's where you come in, swooping in like a hero with a scooper and a dream. This isn't just a side hustle. It's a full-on business with insane potential. So let's talk about how you can turn poop into profits. First, the startup costs. You don't need a fancy office, expensive equipment, or a website with bells and whistles to get started. For under $200, you can grab a good quality pooper scooper, a bucket, some trash bags, gloves, and maybe a cheap logo from Fiverr if you're feeling fancy. Oh, and don't forget flyers or a simple ad on Facebook to spread the word. That's it. You're officially in business. No loan applications, no investors, just you and your entrepreneurial spirit. Now let's talk about the earning potential because this is where it gets crazy. The average dog poop cleanup service charges $15 to $20 per visit, per yard. Let's say you book just 10 clients a week at $20 per yard. That's $200 a week. Not bad, right? But scale that up to 50 clients. And suddenly you're looking at $1,000 a week. That's $52,000 a year. And this is just the beginning. Add more clients, hire a couple of employees, and bam! You're running a six-figure operation. Some poop scooping businesses are even hitting $2 million in revenue. Yes, $2 million from poop. The beauty of this business is how scalable it is. Start solo, then expand as you get more clients. You can add services like pet waste deodorizing or even yard treatments to keep things fresh. Build relationships with local pet stores or vets for referrals, or partner with HOAs that need regular poop cleanup for their communal spaces. Before you know it, you're not just scooping poop, you're dominating your local market. Now let's address the elephant, or should I say the dog in the room. Yes, it's poop, but think about it this way. You're getting paid to solve a problem that literally stinks, and while everyone else is trying to start the next trendy tech startup, you're over here creating a business that's low competition and recession-proof, because let's face it, dogs aren't stopping anytime soon. So what's the next step? Start small. Post on your local community Facebook group, hand out flyers at dog parks, or go door to door in your neighborhood. People will laugh at first, maybe even make a few jokes, but they'll also hire you. Why? Because this is a real practical service that solves a problem for busy pet owners. And as your client list grows, so does your income. Look, I know this business isn't glamorous. You won't be posting Instagram pics of you scooping poop with the caption, "Living the Dream." But you will be building a sustainable, profitable business that could change your financial future. And in a world full of get-rich-quick schemes, isn't it refreshing to hear about something real? If you're ready to turn dog poop into dollar signs, hit that like button. It's like a virtual fist bump. And don't stop there. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's turn small ideas into big money together. See you in the next one.